Alright, so take 4 of this video, alright? So I've filmed this video 3 other times. Hopefully this one works out. I say that every one of them, but here's my truck. Camera's really jittery today. Yeah, 1994 Windboys. 1994 Toyota truck. I don't know what else to say about that, but the EFI 22RE. So yeah, it's a 22RE. It's kind of messy in here, and I got an exhaust leak and a lifter sticking, so yeah.